Okay, so what we have here is called a recurring decimal. So when we have a dot above a number like this, it means that number is repeated infinitely because it goes on and on and on and on, okay, all the way. And since you want to round this off to the 4 decimal places, you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. The rest, there's no need to write them down, okay? So round this off to 4 dp. First, second, third, fourth. 5th decimal place is big. So if that is big, the 4th dp will also be rounded upwards. So it will be 2.0667 for dp rounding off.